Guys, I'm Layla on Crazy Critters TV, and today is Polly's birthday. So we made her a cake, and we made a cake for us to eat. So soon, in a second, we're gonna sing to Polly. Polly, get over here.
Oh, I'm waiting. It like burned my face.
Sure to light the cake.
I can't. It won't work.
Alright, how about this? You just hold the button. Just hold the button. Careful.
Okay.
Okay.
Sing to Polly.
It's burning your finger. Alright, it's
Nice. Nice footage. Footage.
Where's the girl at?
Where it is. We'll go. Alright. Oh, watch out. Don't
And also,
Okay.
you're like,
Happy birthday
to you.
Happy birthday
to
you.
Happy birthday, dear
Polly.
Happy birthday to you. Blow it out.
Careful, careful.
Blow this one out.
She gets her. Show her cakes.
Here's
The human cake.
here's the Polly cake, and here's the human cake. Andrew, don't light this on fire.
Alright, time to give it to him.
You're not
So will you see what this is? It's still recording?
No. Yeah.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Here, doll.
Come on now.
You put sprinkles in Polly?
Yeah.
Yeah, we always
They
do
always
that.
get sprinkled.
There's their old piece of cake. And this Polly's piece.
Sorry, that's enough. Where?
So that is
That middle part. So
Polly's birthday.